here in Minden, Nevada right now and going back to Van Nuys, LA. And since this is a non-control airport, we have to do something different than usual, which is either you call the number, you actually talk over the telephone, or you take off via bar and then you call the pre-list. And so any comment?
Yeah, I think we had a pretty good discussion about it and how non-towered airports do things a little differently than towered airports when it comes to clearances and getting released for takeoff, because we can't get cleared for takeoff like we do by a tower.
Yeah.
So the good resources we have today, like ForeFlight, will usually tell you what the best method is.
Sure.
And in this case, they gave us the phone number, so we'll call the number.
はい、皆さん、キャプテンアキコです。今ですね、ネバダ州のミンデンというところに来てまして、これからね、バナイズにまたLA に帰るんですけれども、ここはですね、アンコントロールエアポートって言いまして、タワーがないんですね。で、管制官がいないので、私たちパイロットが自主的に飛び立たなきゃいけないんですね。で、そのやり方っていうのが、実際にグラウンドにいる前に、飛び立つ前に電話番号にね電話するっていうのと、それから飛び立った後にですね、普通にレディオコミュニケーションとしてエアの上でね電話するっていうやり方があるんですけれども、今回は私やったことがないので、グラウンドにいる間に電話番号を見てね電話したいと思います。ちょっと楽しみなんですけどね。それでは皆さんご期待ください。This is citation 44 Delta Tango, and we are at the Minden airport about to take a 3-4. Want to get the clearance to Van Nuys. Okay, clear to Van Nuys airport, the Minden to departure as filed. 1-2000 at 3990, 5 minutes after 119.2, and Spock 3344 for the
And hold for release.
10
minutes.
10 minutes.
And I told you just give a call back on this number, the fast reach number 1.
Roger, for Delta Tango.
Okay.
So I have to call them.
Yeah. So remember, after he said 3344, he said the words hold for release. So I just abbreviate that HFR, hold for release. So that's the difference in the read back that you tell them hold for release. So now he said, call me on this number when you're number 1 ready for departure.
Yeah.
So we got all the time we need. We don't have a void time right now.
Okay.
So we can taxi out there, take our time, and when we're 100% ready to go, we'll phone him and we'll say, okay, we're ready for our release now.
Got it.
Motor glider. It's kind of tricky getting out of here. You can't really go this way, it's too tight, so I usually go around the way we came in. Yeah, it's just, there's a little more, just don't taxi through this rough gravel.
What a little airplane.
I know, right?
What is it?
I thought it was a skycatcher, but now I don't think so. I'm not sure what it is. It might be a Rotax powered airplane, like the little 2-stroke engine.
Oh.
The one that sounds like a lawnmower.
So I just tell them that we're ready to take off, right?
Yep, tell them we're on the ground at Minden, runway 34, ready for release.
Okay.
He can't clear you to take off. He can only release you.
And so that's not a takeoff.
It's not a takeoff clearance because there's nobody here to clear you. It's like any non-towered airport. We're going to take off when we're clear of traffic.
We just take off and then.
For citation 44 Delta Tango at Minden Airport, holding short 34 and ready to take off. Release the IFR.
Citation 4 Delta Tango, release for departure clearance point in less than 4 minutes.
Okay, so just like any other non-towered field, you look for traffic, announce your departure, and go when you want to go.
Yeah. Okay. So he said I'm okay to.
Yep, you're released.
Right.
Left downwind 34 minutes. How close is that jet from taking off?
Minden traffic citation 44 Delta Tango, taking off 34.
Straight
Minden
up.
traffic, straight up. Oh, this is all different.
It is different.
Okay, power set. Speed of light. Knots, cross jack. Rotate. Get ups. Departure Salisho 44 Delta Tango, just took off Minden Airport, 7600 to 120. Well, that was fun.
Yeah. Different.
Different.
One of the things I love about aviation is that there's almost always something new to learn.
Always, always. Every flight.
I just passed 13,000 hours and I'm still learning.
I know, right?
It's a career-long thing.
That's right.
Lake Tahoe over here, isn't that beautiful?
Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Center Salisho 44 Delta Tango 168 to 190.
November 44 Delta Tango, Oakland Center, climb maintain, follow 230.
230 44 Delta Tango.
So what's the weather at Van Nuys?
Yeah.
Probably clear.
Clear, yeah.
So you want to do the ILS or the visual?
Flight level 360,
I'm gonna do ILS because lately I have no chance to do approach at all.
Okay.
So I'm gonna
That's a good idea.
do a approach. Yeah, like the last few trips, like everything is visual.
Okay.
Yeah.
44 Delta Tango, climb maintain, follow 350.
350 44 Delta Tango. That's a big jump. Look.
Yes, I think we got a little bit of an updraft.
Oh, 128, Roger.
We were at almost up to the barber pole on the airspeed, but I think we got a little help from Mother Nature here too.
Wow. For 4,000.
I know.
Big jump.
in the 510, that's
Southwest 2377,
Yeah.
clear direct, Reberg.
the bottom altitude here on this descent.
Southwest 2396, contact Oakland Center 134.55.
Yeah, it looks like it sets us up for 3-4. I'll bet you anything we're using 1.6 today, so we might do this transition going this way.
Oh, I see.
For the ILS.
Ovens, right?
Yeah, so after Ivans we'll go to Hunton at 7. Anyway, if they're using the ILS, I'm sure they'll do that.
Yeah.
44 Delta Tango, SoCal approach, altimeter 2986, expect the ILS Zulu runway 16 right approach, verify you have Van Nuys data TECO.
Girl, that was nice.
Hi guys, so we are back to Van Nuys, LA now from Minden, Nevada today. It was really cold, Minden, Nevada, so we appreciate to live in LA.
That's for sure.
That's for sure. So anyway, that was a good short flight. Usually we fly much longer than this, but that was short flight. Actually, we had tailwind coming back here, so that made it shorter.
Yeah, so I thought it was a really good flight. We had nice conditions going into Minden today. Usually it's very bumpy there. So we got lucky today getting some good smooth air for the most part. So that was nice. And then on the trip back, as Akiko said, there was a nice tailwind, so it was a pretty short flight and very little turbulence. And she made a couple of really great landings.
皆さんこんにちは、キャプテンのあきこです。今ですね、バンナイズエアポートロサンゼルスに、戻ってきました。今日はですね、ミンデンのネバダ州ミンデンから戻ってきました。ですごく寒くてですね、ミンデンここに着いたら一気になんか、春になったっていう感じがしましたけれども、帰りはですねテールウィンドがあってすごい珍しく、普通は帰りが長くかかるんですが短くて着きました。で着陸がねすごく今日はうまくできたのでみんなに褒めてもらいました。嬉しかったです。じゃあ皆さんエンジョイしてくれたことを願ってます。またね、バイバイ。